Hey, welcome back to my channels, and finally I'm back with a makeup tutorials, and today I will be doing 4-minute Hyuna inspired makeup from the recent music videos co-range. I hope you guys enjoy and like this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channels, and we'll talk to you guys later. Alright, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do right now is I'm gonna prime my eyes with this Etude eyeshadow primer. Alright, so the eyeshadow I'm going to be using today is from my Lorac Pro 1 palette. And the first color I'm going to use is a champagne colors, and I'm going to apply this champagne eyeshadows all over my eyelid. Next, I'm gonna put Taupe, which is a matte brow eyeshadows, on top of the champagne eyeshadows, and I'm also gonna blend it out so it looks more smoothly. Alright, now I'm gonna take a mauve eyeshadows and I'm going to apply it to my crease. And here I'm using a blending brush so it's easier to work with. Now to highlight my brow bones, I'm going to use a cream eyeshadows and of course apply it to my brow bones. Alright, now I'm going to take the Espresso eyeshadow, which is like a dark brow eyeshadows, and I'm going to apply it to my crease as well. This will define our crease a little bit. And for the lower lash line, I'm going to take Pewter and apply it to the lower lash line. And we're done with the eyeshadows. Now I'm going to line my eyes like always. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallibles in Blackest. Now I'm going to take a black eyeshadow, also from the Lorac Pro eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to smoke out the eyeliner or blend out the eyeliner, and this will create a very nice effect, very smoky kind of looks, and I think it's look very sexy and cute. And of course, we cannot forget the lower lash line. I'm going to take this Rimmel's eyeliners and line my entire waterline. And the final step is apply mascara to the top and bottom lashes. You can put on false lashes if you want, but here I'm going with my natural lashes. So here I'm applying tons and tons of mascaras to the top and bottom lashes. And you are done with this look. I hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorials, and I will be back with more makeup tutorials. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Love you.